Hey guys, welcome back to another video with young professionals, and today I'm with Palaksh and Swastik, which are original baby and Gotham Gaming. Today we are going to do a trio on Brawl Stars. The first we're doing is Heist. Maybe different because I do not know. Okay. So they are just sending some chats. Okay. So sending them message is, and then let's play. Oh wait, I don't know. I do not need to write this extra. So yeah, I am ready. Other guy, just come on to the game on. Okay, original baby, just come into the game. Baby. Okay, so I just write, let's play. Just play, just play, just play. Okay, so apparently original baby is, oh my god, now we have to tell him that what event. Let's see what event should we play. I don't have a whole lot because I just unlock the first legacy. As you can see, I just unlocked Jesse, and in the first league, I guess. I do not know how the league counting goes in Brawl Stars. Okay, those are ready, but this time, yes, let's go. Okay, so the game has come. So this is a good map. There are so many different types of maps. You can find it out by the name, and this is epic. Although I died in the first try. Okay, so let's go. I don't know if that hit, and go. Oh, so we are in the leading place, and we have 7 stars. And here I is shooting this El Primo. Get the dog thing. I forgot what's the super, and now trying to kill. As again I died. This is not the best I can do, but let's go by the jump pad and plant. Oh my god. So currently we have a 15-15, and now it's tie to tie. So we have 1 minute left. We going to use a jump pad. We are in the lead by 2 stars, and why am I wasting my energies? And now firing. Good working. And oh no shit, El Primo. Plant. This will be helpful. Duplicate identity on opposite team. This is the best thing, and this is the second time I died, but we are over them about 10 or 13, I'll say. And plant the dog robot. Fire, and we taking down Rosa, taking down the other Jesse, planting dog to kill Il Primo. Il Primo just killed me. All of me. We're using jump pad, but the timer is already going to be up, and let's see if I am in the air when it's nope. I'm destroying these two, and as I plant, it's over. So we won by almost 10 stars. Okay, let's see. Exit. Okay, so we have done bounty. Even though I said we were going to do his, now we're bounty. I'm seeing any other of here. I'm recommending Undermine because I want to see how can Jesse help in that. just for fun. And did you know if you turn the players, you can see their backs? So yeah, this is how will they look at the back. And this is how you can create amazing, like the teammates are killing themselves. So I'm just going to put them back to their front face. And oh my god, I'm just getting ready for this bounty only. And will Pollux just stop browsing events? Just play! Ready? Are you kidding me? Swastik, please. Here we go. Okay, so this is our second match, and we're going to see how we're going to do. I'm always stuck and firing at badly. Got it? And I'm about to die. Rosa, you go away. You get out. Lol of me. She took me out. Now I'm taking you out. Whoops. So wasted some energies, I guess. Plant and shoot. Come here, Barley. Are you a coward? And Rosa is also a coward. Oh shit, it's immune, guys. Immune, guys. Fire, 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 fire. I might need to check how long does Jessie shoot. Till then, let's just... Hey, there's my robot dog shooting the enemies. Okay. So, right now, it's like this. We are in the lead by 8 and they are 0. Oh, we are killing them. Oh my god, barely. Are you kidding me? Super! Okay. He killed me before I used my super. Now I'm going ahead. Let's see what's there. Planting in not obvious spot. It is obvious, by the way. And trying to shoot Rosa. Kidding. Okay. Rosa not caught. Maybe next time. Oh my god. Another planting, and why am I always there in the acid pool of Barley? Someone needs to explain me why I'm always in the acid pool of Barley. And why do I keep dying? Okay, our team countdown is started. Let's see. And place it here. And Barley, you going down. You going down. Rosa, is Rosa there? No. And apparently match over is 16-0, which is very good. And Pollux is the star player apparently. Jessie ranked up to rank 2. Its power is still 1. And my experience level is 10. So I don't know for the others. Let's see. For Pollux, his Poco is power 3, rank 8 and 102 trophies. And Swastik's Brook is power 1, rank 4 and 51. Okay, let's see what do we have in quests. Daily quest, we have 600 damage of Shelly in Brawl Ball. No big deal. Bro, where is Shelly? Here we are. Select. And we're in Brawl Ball only. And now he wants me to do cold. Also, I'm replying this. I need Shelly for what was it? Quests. Okay, cancel this. I'm ready. Swastik just become ready. Okay, so now we are in this game. Let's see how we do it. And fire, fire, fire. El Primo, you get destroyed. No, you Bull get destroyed. Both get destroyed. I'm now so confused who is where. Now Pollux got scored 1-2. Let's fire again. And kill Nita. Pollux gets the ball. Why does he need to get the ball? And he scored again. Great job. And apparently I am the star player. Okay. So guys, if you like these videos, comment down if you want some more bonus videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.